Welcome to Reduce, Reuse, Recycle with Island Village Elementary School. We are asking all our ospreys to help protect our planet by learning and practicing the 3 R's of trash, waste, management, or conservation. So what are the 3 R's? Well, it's simple. Reduce, reuse, and recycle. When we reduce, reuse, and recycle, it encourages everyone to reduce their trash and look for other ways to reuse rather than throwing things away that can be used again. Okay, so let's dig into the first of the 3 R's, reduce. Reducing means being aware of our consumption habits, which leads to less waste generation and environmental impact. We use less, we impact less. Okay, so let's talk about reuse. Reuse is finding ways to use items multiple times or in different ways instead of throwing them away after just one single use. This helps to minimize the amount of trash we send to landfills and also conserves resources and energy. See? All about conservation. The next R is recycle, which means collecting and processing materials to turn them into new products. The recycling process involves sorting and cleaning the materials so that we can reuse them again. So you might be asking yourself, how do I recycle? Recycling is essential to sustainability and to sustainable environmental practices. By actively participating in recycling efforts, you can help minimize the trash and the waste that we send to the landfill. How do we do that? Well, we take things like paper, plastic, and styrofoam and put them into special bins so that we can reuse them again. The important thing about this, though, is we don't want to recycle anything that's icky, sticky, and dirty. So if it's easily rinsable to put in a container, then we rinse it. If it's not, then it goes in the trash. You might be asking yourself, why is this important to me? Well, the importance of reducing, reusing, and recycling is important for environmental protection and conservation. And by practicing these, we minimize our waste, conserve our resources, and, in fact, reduce pollution. Isn't that so cool? But here's the biggest why. Guy Harvey. We get to become a conservation school that encourages empathy and compassion for our world through small acts of kindness and sustainability. So with your help, we get to impact our world for the better. And we also get to go on some cool field trips and get money for buses if we need them. Now that's super cool. Well, what's next? Acting. We need to use our classroom bins to recycle. We need to recycle that paper, that plastic, and that styrofoam. And there's no time like right now. So pay attention to your classroom teacher because they're going to show you how to recycle. Get excited because we have a special event coming on April 22nd. Stay tuned.